Earth consists of 77.7 million species of different animals, among which some are wild and some non-wild. Which animals are the best? Which wild animals are the nicest? Let's watch this video with Give a Fact to find out which is the friendliest animal in the world, shall we? Number 1. Dogs. First on our list of the top 8 friendliest animals in the world is man's best friend, dogs. Frederick the Great of Prussia was the first person to call dogs man's best friend. Ogden Nash went on to popularize the phrase in a poem, and billions of people have proved them right over generations. They belong to the same genus as wolves and were domesticated thousands of years ago. Dogs have a loving nature, due to which they are the favorite of human beings. One can find a dog in his neighborhood easily nowadays, as it is a very friendly animal. They are kept for security purposes by most of us, and also in military and police departments, due to their aggressive and active nature. Did you know that medical detection dogs are a thing? Because their sense of smell is so great, some dogs can be trained to sniff out medical conditions. They are used to diagnose a particular condition or to alert their owners if they need more medication. Some are even being trained to sniff out COVID-19. Instantly amazed by this fact? Subscribe to us to broaden your knowledge with more educational videos. Let's move on to the next fact. Number 2. Cats. You know the popular comparison, dogs are friendly companions and cats are standoffish loners. But like many old axioms, this one is false. Just ask anybody with a family cat. Yes, felines can lean into their disinterested side, and they're not always up to fetch a frisbee. But don't let their stoic, independent spirits fool you. Cats are loving and full of personality. Plus, they are also wicked smart and fastidiously clean. What more could you want from a four-pawed friend and housemate? There are up to 60 different cat breeds. If you want a kitty that's likely to veer on the friendlier side of the scale, look for a Maine Coon. Orange tabbies are usually affectionate too. Number 3. Sheep. Sheep are friendly animals of farmers, as they are used in agriculture to provide a wide variety of raw materials, which further turn out to be of good use. Wool is an important product of sheep, which a farmer gets by shearing. Sheep milk contains many nutrients that can even cure dengue fever in humans. Sheep are very easy to train too. They can help in improving the quality of lawns as they produce amazing fertilizer. So, how do you make friends with sheep? Just provide them with proper feed and care and they'll become more friendly. Did you know that sheep are surprisingly very intelligent, as they can recognize human faces and can remember them for years? Number 4. Rabbits. Rabbits or bunnies are small-sized mammals, which are both domestic and livestock pets. They have egg-shaped bodies covered with smooth hairs, making them lovable pets, which require a good diet with not just vegetables like carrots, and a healthy environment for their growth. Did you know that young rabbits that don't have enough space to run about are more likely to break bones? This is because they don't get the right opportunities to build up their bodies properly. Rabbits are very social animals too, as they enjoy being around people and can usually recognize their owners by sight and sound. But because they're prey animals, they prefer to have all 4 feet firmly on the ground. That being said, they can make wonderful pets and can even be trained. Number 5. Dolphins. Friendly animals are not only found on land, but also in water, and dolphins are among them. A dolphin is an aquatic mammal having a special characteristic of bonding with human beings. They are one of the smartest animals and are widely known for their social skills and friendly behavior. Did you know that dolphins are second only to humans in brain-to-body size ratio, beating out all other highly intelligent members of the primate family? In terms of mass, a bottlenose dolphin's brain typically weighs 1,500 to 1,700 grams, which is slightly more than a human's and 4 times the weight of a chimpanzee's. Although brain size doesn't alone determine intelligence, having a big brain compared to body size can certainly help free up space for more complex cognitive tasks. For example, they can imitate the actions of other dolphins and humans while blindfolded in an experiment at the Dolphin Research Center, Florida, in 2010. They are also capable of planning for the future and understanding the concept of delayed gratification. Dolphins are mostly harmless and so turn out to be the point of attraction for tourists. Dolphins are very playful, and they have a hole in their head from where they take in the atmospheric air. Dolphins mostly stay underwater for about 30 seconds, but they can stay down for up to 15 minutes too. Instantly amazed by this fact? Don't forget to tell us what you want to learn more about, so we can make more videos about it. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 6. Capybaras. Capybaras are a must-have on any top friendliest animals in the world list. They are giant and weigh about 150 pounds. They are super chill, as they get along famously with birds, cats, camels, humans, crocodiles, and everything that comes in between. Monkeys are very fond of this very special semi-aquatic animal. These are wild animals, but with a friendly nature. Capybaras move in a group of up to 100 individuals. They are also used in farming, as they protect wetland habitats. Can you keep capybaras as pets in the United States? Only in Texas and Pennsylvania, but it's a large undertaking and not recommended. If you're considering welcoming the lovable rodent into your home, make sure you have room for at least 2. Did you know that capybaras are exceptionally social animals who grow achingly depressed if they don't have at least one friend? They also need lots of space to roam and a large pool or lake to wade whenever they want. Though they probably wouldn't mind if you approached them in their swamp of choice and hung out for a bit, it isn't the wisest idea. Capybaras sometimes host ticks carrying Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and you don't want to contract that. Number 7. Guinea pigs. Guinea pigs are cute and friendly creatures which belong to the Capybaras family. A lot of people think they come from Guinea, but in fact, guinea pigs originate from the Andes region of South America. The Guinea in their name is a bit of a mystery. One theory is that they were first brought to Europe by Spanish explorers in the 1500s via Guinea in Africa, so people thought that they came from there, or that it could be a corruption of Guyana, an area in South America. They are basically rodents and not pigs, but they have gotten this name due to their physical appearance. They are herbivores and have a lifespan of 4 years. These are friendly animals which are owned by people domestically. They have great vocals and personalities, making them more friendly for human beings. Fruits and vegetables must be provided in their diet, as they lack an enzyme which makes vitamin C. Keeping them healthy and happy is also very important. Some toys and hiding tunnels can be used for them, as they love to play. Did you know that guinea pigs don't get on well with rabbits? Not only will rabbits bully guinea pigs, but they also have very different needs. Rabbits can also carry diseases which can be very harmful to guinea pigs, so don't keep them together, for everyone's sake. Number 8. Giant pandas. Giant pandas are not only the cutest creatures, but also the very friendliest. Their diet mostly consists of bamboo. The mixed black and white colors of these giant pandas make them very pleasant and attractive, but they actually serve 2 functions: camouflage and communication. Most of the panda, its face, neck, belly, rump, is white to help it hide in snowy habitats. The arms and legs are black, helping it to hide in the shade. These pandas might look dangerous, but are very friendly to human beings. Giant pandas weigh about 95 kilograms and can climb as high as 13,000 feet. They are good swimmers and excellent tree climbers. At 5 months old, giant panda cubs learn how to climb, sometimes practicing by climbing on their mum. History tells us that a giant panda is as active as a tiger, but is friendly and strictly vegetarian. They spend 10 to 16 hours a day feeding, 99% on bamboo, and the remaining 1% of the diet can include eggs, small animals, and carrion, as their digestive system is typical of a carnivore. Pandas are also known to forage in farmland for pumpkin, kidney beans, wheat, and domestic pig food. The good news is pandas are no longer an endangered species, thanks in part to Smithsonian research. Scientists and conservationists have worked to restore the giant panda's habitat and increase breeding in human care. Currently, there are as few as 1,864 giant pandas living in their native habitat, while another 600 pandas live in zoos and breeding centers around the world. Hence, giant pandas are still considered a vulnerable species. What do you think of these top 8 friendliest animals on Earth? Let us know in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find our videos useful and want us to make more videos. Until next time, give a fact.